Are you interested in saving money on your utilities? Well, this home has solar panels paid all the way up to 2033. How about having a pool in your backyard? Well, this home's got that, a beautiful gazebo and citrus. Hi, I'm Ed Heiser with eXp Realty. This home has it all. So come with me and let's take a tour. This beautiful home is located in Santan Valley near Rittenhouse and Skyline, close to shopping, entertainment, and restaurants. It has solar panels paid through 2033. The backyard has a pool, gazebo, citrus. It is 3-bedroom, 2-bath at 1,427 square feet and sits on a larger corner. Upon entry, we come into the great room, which is done in 3-tone paint with shades of gray being separated by chair railing. Absolutely love the crown molding on the ceiling. Moving across the great room, we come into the kitchen that has this beautiful granite countertop and matching beautiful tiled backsplash. I really like that. They blend very well together. All appliances convey with the home, including the refrigerator and the washer and dryer. Here's a really large stainless steel sink. And I really like canned lighting. The kitchen has a lot of canned lighting. A nice ceiling fan to give a little bit of breeze when you're cooking. And there's the pantry. And another big plus is I love this large Arcadia door, which does two things. It gives you a beautiful view of the backyard and lush landscaping and pool, and it gives a lot of natural light that bleeds into the great room. Turning to the right here is the hall, which continues that 3-tone paint scheme with chair railing and crown molding. To the right, we enter the master suite, and immediately upon entering, you'll notice this huge bay window that takes the whole back wall. There's a ceiling fan, 3-tone paint, chair railing, and the large bay window gives you a great view of the backyard, the landscaping and pool, gazebo. Adds a lot of natural lighting, which is a big plus. Then here through the arched doorway, we enter the master bath, which too has granite countertops, the his and her sink, which is a great plus. Large, spacious, fully tiled walk-in shower. I love the walk-in shower. It has that recessed soap shelf. And here to the right is a large walk-in closet. A lot of space for storage and clothing. And of course, behind that door is the ever famous reading room. Leaving the master bath and back in the hallway, first door on the right is your first secondary bedroom. All the bedrooms, the master and the first secondary, have carpet. Across from the first secondary bedroom is the main bathroom, which too has granite countertops, chair railing, and crown molding. Tile floor. Continuing down the hall is the second secondary bedroom, which has laminate wood flooring, ceiling fan, and of course the continued theme of chair rail and crown mold. Now this washer and dryer, the laundry room, it has a lot of beautiful built-in cabinetry, a lot of storage. That cabinetry is nice. The door leads to the garage. And now we're going back through the kitchen and out the Arcadia door to the backyard. It's a beautiful backyard. Again, pool enthusiasts, you're going to love the pool. A lot of lush landscaping, and right to the right, you'll notice the citrus trees. That's a plus. Really nice to have citrus, your own citrus in your backyard. You'll notice along the gazebo is also a built-in stuccoed half moon shaped seating bench, which is a really nice addition, along with the patio and the pool. Really nice swimming pool. Here we're in the garage. You can see there's a ceiling storage rack, a wall AC unit. The attic access is the pool downstairs, making that really convenient. Wasn't that a beautiful home? If you'd like to take a tour, give me a call. My contact information is right here. If you'd like to know more about Santan Valley and what the community has to offer, here's some videos that'll take you on a tour and show you everything that you need to know and then some. Remember, as always, I'm just a phone call away.